Hello guys, welcome to again Pulsefire Tech. Today video show how to create image poster in Canva. So guys, start the video. First of all, open your Canva and create a new design and click on the poster portrait. After the click, add your image. Go to your uploads and add an image. Adjust the image at the size of portrait. After the adjustment, add a new page and copy this image and paste the second page, and right click on the second page, going to edit and remove background. First adjust your image as a half, remove background, and going to share and download this page and click on the transparent background. Increase the size of PNG and download second page. Click on the download button and save the image. So I save on desktop. After that, paste this image and copy this image to page 1 and paste to page 1. After that, go to again apps and search here easy reflections. So second option, easy reflection, and click on the easy reflection and create reflections. Go click on the above, offset 100% and capacity 100%, add to design. After that, the first delete the image and click on right click and flip vertical. After that, click on the first page image, going to edit and going to magic grapes. Click on the man and grab. After click on the man, adjust the man. First you can reflection background, so I adjust this background, so I adjust it, and the second man, so it's adjust to so I adjust this. Adjust to the shoulder of the second page of image. You can see that we make a poster in the Canva. So please guys, like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more information and interesting videos.